Hello, and welcome back to the Learn Up another new AI video. Ever wondered how your favorite songs would sound if AI took the stage? Well, you're in for a treat because, in this video, I am going to teach you how to make AI cover songs that'll blow your mind and set your creativity soaring. Whether you're a musician looking to experiment or just a curious soul, this is the place to be. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting tech and music explorations. Let's get started. Step 1. Create account. First, go to the musicfi.lol. You will find the link in the video description. After coming here, click on the sign in button for create account. If you want, you can sign up continue with email or your Google account. In this example, I am using continue with Google. Step 2. Making AI vocal. After completing the account creation, we need a vocal song. You can upload MP3 and WAV format files from your desktop. You can record from here or use the YouTube video link. That's why I'm moving to YouTube. If you want, you can upload your own recorded vocals. After entering YouTube, search by writing your favorite song. In this example, I'm writing 50/50 vocal song. Many results will show here, download the one you like. But I am using the video link. Click to video.
I hope it's romantic.
Copy the video link. And go back to Musicfi. And paste it here. Now click on search. And wait until this video is uploaded. So far done, then click here to select an artist. Here you will find more than 20 artists, select your favorite one. In this example, I am select this one. From here you can adjust the pitch of your vocals. Now select the quality of your vocal. After everything is set, click this remix button for making AI vocal. And wait some time. After processing is done, click here to download your AI vocal. The most interesting thing here is that you can create your own AI voice. But there is a problem. If you want to add your own voice, then you need to upgrade your account. For that you have to pay $25 a month. You can use it if you want. Step 3. Music. There are different types of websites from where you can create music of your choice. But in this example, I will use the music of this song. That's why you have to go to YouTube again. And search by typing 50/50 song music only. You will get many results. Download one of your choice. For the download, click here and type SS and enter. Select your download type. And click download. Step 4. Editing. For that you can use Audacity. It is a free tool. But in this example I am using Camtasia video editing software. First, import your AI vocal song and music. Then drag your media onto the timeline. Now adjust the AI vocals and music. After everything is done, then export it.
I hope that's romantic all my life.
Thanks for watching. We've taken you on an incredible journey into the realm of AI-generated cover songs, showing you just how to create your own unique musical masterpieces. It's been an exhilarating experience, and I hope you enjoyed every moment of it. Before we say our goodbyes, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and share it with your fellow music enthusiasts.